Nice. What is up? So, should hear the brakes release here in a little bit. Cause, yeah, you can see that. There's yard engines, that little white thing there above the tank cars that's moving. That's the roof of the trains. So they're gonna couple up to this cut of cars. My camera does not like me. It just flipped what direction zooms, which makes no fucking sense. So, I don't know what the hell this is here for, but it's great for getting cover of my phone to keep it from overheating. I'm gonna move here, see if I can see the end of the cars. They're gonna be coupling up. I keep saying buckling. That makes no sense. That's the opposite. Buckling is the opposite of coupling. Well, no, it's not the opposite. The opposite would be braking. Anyway. I think they are stopped. Neat. Some rocks. Rocks. Did you hear that hiss and that, like, ow? That hiss was the brakes releasing that? There they go. Hard slack. Let's get a better shot of the coupler. I know what's their issue. I don't know if you saw the coupler slack. The engines are off too. There you go. Haha! That's just the yard thing they have to do when they move forward. 2 means forward, 3 means backwards. Goodbye, weird blue grainer. Also, I know they're actually called hoppers. I just like calling them grainers because I think it sounds better. Whatever. I know they're center flows, but... And I know they don't only carry grain, but hey, grainers even sounds cool, so... See if we can see the engines. That we can. Blurry. Because it's 12 times zoom. Sorry, I got Parkinson's or some shit. Cool. Helicopter. Spine cars! Holy shit! Bouncing. So that clicking's okay because that's a rail joint. Nice! Friendly engineer! Awesome! What is up? Have an intermodal. Going pretty fast actually. Let's see if I can get some more brightness. Beautiful. Okay, I was thinking to myself that the next one's got to be a passenger surfliner, and what do you know? We got surf. Surf. Surf, 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 surfliner. Da 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 da. Surfliner. He's got his beacons. I don't know if to show up on camera. Same engineer! It's the same engineer from before. There's that video earlier of the cab car, or yeah. That's the same engineer, it's the same train. Look at this, another freight. So I don't think today I've actually seen one going in the opposite direction. He's another fast boy. I don't know if I'll ever see an ace though, leading. What's going on with that middle unit? Is that a slug? I think that middle engine it must have been a recent repair. It had crazy antennas, and that was bizarre. That's when they stacked them on top like that, because the bottom container is a 40 foot and the top's a 53. It couldn't hold the container, but it could carry the container on top, because the different lengths of containers are actually about the same weight. They just carry longer things. Blue container, eh? Hear that clacking? That's shelling. That glug 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 glug. That. Spines. Oh my God. Oh, now my hand's shaking, damn it! It's been a really long... It's so cool when they're going side to side. The wind is pulling my headphones off, I'm not kidding. be the fastest train I have ever seen, and I'm not kidding. That was bad shelling. Yeah, sorry for the probable, like, sorry, but that wasn't me, that was the wind. And if you heard, he honked, and because I didn't notice he was there, and he honked to grab my attention. God, trains are awesome. Holy shit. Insane. There's a P-42. God, I missed the P-42s. I knew it. I knew it. So, that I believe, I forget what it's called. That goes to Chicago from Los Angeles. It's a very popular train. And I've never seen it. And I've heard it before. And I was like, those are P-42s. And I was right. The long distance still use the P-42s because I don't think the Chargers have been approved for solo long distance. Like, shorter trains are kind of commuter, like the surfliner, obviously. But I still think they're using the P-42s mainly for the long distance trains, because I still think the P-42s are still in some ways unbeatable than the Chargers, especially in like tractive effort. Alright, so this is not even 2 minutes later. Cab car. This is ridiculous. This is about 2-ish minutes after the P-42 video. 3 about. This is Metro. I doubt I'll get a honk out of them. She's okay. Still pretty. So, literally not even a minute after the metrolink, here's another freight. This is all within 10 minutes of each other. All 4 of the last train videos are within 10 minutes. Oh, that smell. Look at him. He's zipping around the switch. The cars are leaning outwards. He really has somewhere to be. crap, that was fast. And he was zipping around the switch. I don't know if you saw it in the video, you probably did. Look back, the engine was bouncing like crazy. He zipped around the switch and the engine leaned outwards and the cars were leaning. He really has somewhere to be. Here's the thing. I can't tell if he's moving. I saw him pull up pretty quick. But he actually does not appear to be getting any closer. Weird. Maybe slowly. Yep. He's a what's it called? A waiter. Yes, a waiter. So with that, I'm gonna sit down because I gotta conserve battery because I'm at 23. Okay. I'd say he's close enough. Got another surf. I think it's the one from earlier. Definitely the same engineer from earlier. I don't know when he came back, but he did. So, I'll wait here. I have to conserve even more battery. I suspect the freight will move next, but who knows. There's our passer. Holy crap. He is going super speed. I think that switch is switched, so I think he's gonna turn or swap. Nope. Yeah. Don't know, that is my favorite paint scheme in service. That is my favorite paint scheme ever designed. So basically that was the Warbonnet. They were Santa Fe and I have never seen one, and I've wanted to see one ever since I was about 5. That is the first time in my life I have ever seen a Warbonnet in person, and completely off guard. I loved the Warbonnets more than the Heritage units. The only paint scheme ever produced that I liked more was the Burlington Northern green, black, and white. That's it. The only one, the Cascade with the white stripes on the nose. That's the only one I loved more. I don't like the orange one. I think they even had like a green stripes one. Anyway, I didn't like those. But the Warbonnets are easily my favorite paint scheme on the modern locomotives, other than the Burlington Northern, but they don't make them on modern locomotives, unfortunately. I wish that was a thing. But, oh my god. I think that switch is switched, so I think he's gonna turn or swap. Nope. Yeah. So, some sort of weird joke. This is some sort of joke, right? So, my phone might die from this. Got a cab car. Holy shit! Do you hear that squealing? That's the rails. That's the rails. That's the fastest train I have ever seen. Easily. Easily. The fastest train I have ever seen in my entire life. Because today is an insane day, here's another metrolink. Because, why not? Oh my god, look how fast he's going. Seriously, I keep saying that. I keep seeing the fastest trains I've ever seen. I honestly don't know anymore. I don't know anymore. The surfliner that passed me just before this one, though, easily takes the case as the fastest train I've ever seen. Easily. That thing, I'm not kidding, had to have been going about 90. And I think I hear a freight down there. Hi, I think this is a BNSF. I think it's just the sun playing with my eyes. But yeah, that's orange. Okay. For a second, I got really concerned and I thought maybe it's a Union Pacific. Oh, the engineer's awesome. He just like scaring me. I've seen that same engineer before and he always does that. He waits till the last second and he always laughs. Oh, Jesus. My phone will be dead after two or three more trains. Let's be generous. Let's be hopeful. Something kids are that I wish I was. Anyway, that was depressing. Thanks, person. You wrote a middle finger on every train. Fuck you too for defacing federal property. You cunt. Whoa. Go widescreen. The old school's in use. Oh my god, this one is long. 100% now. So after this, I'm gonna contact my dad and be like, hey, what's up? Come get me. After the next one, because there's one after this. There's the end. Sorry for all the talking during... That's bad shelling. Anyway, sorry for all the talking. I'm just so blown away with everything that's happened today. I think this is a train of 40 foots. No, 48s. Right? No, 40 foot. That's gotta take the cake for top 10 longest trains. I'm not sure, but that was long. What's up? So, the engine waiting is undergoing a crew change. We got another Metro. He was honking at the engine. I think at first he honked to say get out of the way, and then the second time he definitely knew they were out of the way, so he was just saying hi. So I missed it in order to save video. I don't know if you can see them. They're walking. No, they're behind the gravel. But they did a crew change. So they were open the front door, and that's why the metrolink was honking. In that video, in that clip, you could see them. The door was open, so they're switching crews, and now the crew's in there. Probably after the next train, because they're still not headlights on, but they might be settling in. They should go. So let's see. Hello again, the Metro. Nice! Okay. You can't see me. Oh wait, you can. I'm just blind. Hi. I think my beard hair, I need to shave. I want all of this gone. I don't want any of this. I hate the fact that I have to shave every single day now. I'm gonna run out of power. This is unnecessary, but it's grown longer since the first video. Another Metro. Whoa! I think those things are like heritage cars. Well, that's cool. They have another train coming, oh my god! I just now realized, because the running lights aren't on, they're moving. But there's a Metro. Targeting. Metrolink chosen. Speed is greater. Epic. Go to widescreen. This is probably gonna be the last train. Those are pink. Whoa. I'm gonna try to stand up here so you can see inside the wells. I don't think you can see inside. It's not worth the pain. Almost fell, so I'm gonna get down. Contender for the longest train I've ever seen. Oh my god! This is longer than the one from earlier. Also, a little thing to note, earlier, just before this one, a metrolink passed. It was a cab car. The engineer hid their face, so I'm not going to include that clip out of respect for them. I deleted that out of respect for them. So, if you're out there and you've covered your face and you were concerned that I showed you, don't worry, I completely deleted the clip. It's not here. Don't worry, I'll respect your privacy. Whoa, did you see him bounce? That'll be the closing for tonight. I'm done recording trains. I've caught about 20, a little over today. That's gonna be it. That's an insane train. So again, there was a cab car driver. They covered their face with a folder, but it was a metrolink. It came on the closest track to me, and I decided out of respect I would just not include that clip, and I deleted it entirely. So if that engineer's out there concerned I showed your face, do not worry, it's not here. Hell, it's not even on my phone. So yeah, Shit ton of trains today. A shit ton of honks. A Warbonnet. My first Metrolink honks. 3! I think that's, yeah, 3! So, I'm gonna probably get back home. So. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Those are the ospreys! What? Those are the V-22s! Weird. Not really weird, just cool.